Hey guys, I'm Sebastian. This is Ninth Island Connection, your weekly resource for all things Vegas. Check out the description below so that you can see how you can watch our television show wherever you are. So let's get into it. You know what this is about? This is a room tour here at Harrahs Laughlin. So why are we doing a room tour in Laughlin when we live in Vegas? So for us, this is just a quick staycation. This is literally 1 hour and 14 minutes from my driveway to come down here. So it's not bad. We get to be on the river, a little makeshift beach down there. That's why we come down here. This is the South Tower, one king, non-smoking. This is room 10721. So if you're in Vegas, you're thinking that's got to be the 10th floor, room 721, right? No. So here there are 3 different towers and they number the towers. So the South Tower is tower number 1. So we're actually on the 7th floor because the room reads Tower 1, room 0, or floor 707, room 21. So that's where we're at. So that could be a little bit confusing. We went to the 10th floor automatically when we saw the room number. So make sure you know exactly what floor you're going to be on if you're staying here. So this is the South Tower, which is the one closest to the casino. Like you walk out the elevated doors and you're right in the casino, just like the Forum Tower at Caesars. You come out, the doors open, you're in the action, which we really like because you're right in the action. All of the restaurants are you're closest to the restaurants. There's some grab and go on the other end, but you're closest to the restaurants here, and you have quick pool access also closest to this this elevator. So this is the most recently remodeled. I think they began remodeling back in like 2018. They announced a remodel of the South Tower, and it's obviously 2023 right in the middle. So I'm not sure when this was done because again, they announced that they were going to begin remodeling in 2018. I don't know if they actually did or not. Now, but other than some wear and tear, it's actually a really nice room and much nicer than the Central and North Tower. I'll tell you that right now because we've stayed in all of them. This is the nicest one. So let's get started. We're right here in the entry, which is basic, right? Basic entry. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, here's your closet. Closet and safe. Okay, looks like somebody forgot their parking ticket. Somebody forgot the parking ticket. All right, well, let's see if they left me any chips in here. No chips, but the cleaning people did not clean out the safe. Standard, you got iron, you got some hangers and stuff. Let's check the bathroom out. Now, this bathroom is actually decent. And again, for Harrahs Laughlin, this is not Vegas. So you cannot have Vegas standards here in Laughlin, especially Harrahs Laughlin. So let's go check it out. You got a nice big counter right here. Shower, just a basic shower. Actually, just like the Harrahs in Vegas, just a basic shower. So the rooms in the North and Central Towers, they actually still have tubs in there, a tub shower thing. So although you're gonna watch this and be like, that's basic, probably you may not like it if you're thinking Vegas standards, this is nice for Harrahs Laughlin. Nice big counter, like I said, so you have all your stuff. And this one actually has a fan. Let's check out the rest of the room. So decent, you know, I mean, you got a couple stains on the walls. Looks like something splashed, but I mean, it's clean, I guess. Nice, you have over here. So this is different from Harrahs in Vegas also. Harrahs in Vegas, you do not have a refrigerator in the room. Harrahs Laughlin, you get a complimentary refrigerator. But you don't get any shelves. And you know what? You even get complimentary coffee. And if you run out, all you have to do is hit up housekeeping out there in the hallway and just ask them for some more coffee. They'll be more than happy to give it to you. But this is decent. I mean, it's a big space, modern. So this is actually a very similar design to the recently remodeled rooms at Harrahs on the Las Vegas Strip. This is actually pretty much the same exact layout. So you've got a nice little chase over here. And you got some space back there. I guess you could hide your luggage if you wanted to. Here's your view, and we'll talk about that in a second. You got a little chair and nightstand. Looks like it has some water damage over here. don't see any leaks though. Maybe they tried to clean it or something and it just never dried. Little table, your little get ready for the night chair over here. Well, don't expect to use any light on this one because it does not work. Let's talk about the view. So over here, if you look down to the left, you have a little water view. That's actually right where the beach is at. All right, guys, well, that's a wrap on this one. Now, the room is just fine. People don't come to Harrahs or come to Laughlin really to hang out in the room. People come down here, whether you're a local or you're visiting from out of town, you come down here because of the Colorado River. There's jet skis, there's kayaking, there's boat cruises. You can go down to Lake Havasu on a boat. You can drive out to Lake Havasu, a short drive out there. There's a lot to do around here. There's also, obviously, there's golf down here also. So this room for Laughlin, Harrahs Laughlin, is actually decent. Now, we didn't come here to stay in the room. We want to hear from you guys. Comment below. Have you been here? What are your thoughts about here? Would you come here? Let us know. Also, check us out on social media. We're on TikTok, we're on Facebook, we're on Instagram, we're in all the usual places. We are Ninth Island Connection. Also, we go live every single Wednesday to bring you an update on what to expect that upcoming weekend. So for example, we go live on Wednesday. We're talking about Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday of that particular week to give you guys a heads up on what's going on in Vegas for your trip that weekend. That's it on this one. Again, comment below, let us know your thoughts. Hours a day, 7 days a week, in a city that never sleeps, Ninth Island Connection will take you there. You won't want to miss a beat as we give you a sneak peek inside the biggest, best, and most outrageous hotspots, both on and off the strip. Be sure to tune in to Ninth Island Connection with Sebastian Rodriguez every week. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.